DaVinci Resolve 20 lets you level up your subtitle game by adding the ability to create animated subtitle captions, just like what you're seeing on the screen right now. You can use these on long form videos or vertical videos like shorts or TikToks or reels to help improve audience engagement. Once you've got your clips on the timeline, come up to the timeline menu, come down to AI tools and choose create subtitles from audio. We get a few different options here. You can ask DaVinci Resolve to automatically detect the language, or you can specify it explicitly. You can choose a preset type of caption. We're going to leave this as subtitle default. We can choose the maximum number of characters we want on any line before it changes to the next set of subtitle words. You can choose whether you want a single line of text or a double line. We're going to leave this as single for the moment for maximum impact. And if you want to add an extra gap between each subtitle starting and finishing, you can add a number of frames here. I'm going to leave this as the default 0. Hit create. DaVinci Resolve is going to analyze the footage and create the transcription and the subtitles captions from it. And if we have a quick listen to this, DaVinci Resolve 20 lets you level up your subtitle game by adding the ability to create. So that's okay, but it's a bit boring. What you can do is click on the subtitle header down here and then open up the inspector, come over to track, and then you can change the color, the size, whether or not we have a stroke around the caption, so we can try and make it look a bit more interesting. 20 lets you level up your but it's still not super engaging. Let's pimp these captions by adding some animation. I'll go and close the media pool and then click here to open effects. Click on titles and then dig down into subtitles. If you want to make some more space, click here. We can use these static presets, so if we drag one of these subtitle designs onto the subtitle track header here and let go, we've now got a bit more interest. It's you level up your subtitle game, but DaVinci Resolve 20 added some extra things in this animated section. So let's go and try all of these in turn, just so you can see what they look like, and then I'll show you some customizations. We're dragging onto the subtitle header. This is the lollipop animation. DaVinci Resolve 20 lets you level up your subtitle game. This is the rotate design. DaVinci Resolve 20 lets you level up your... This is the slide in, create animated subtitle. This is the statement, like what you're seeing on the screen right now. I quite like that one. And then finally, we've got the word highlight animation. Vertical videos like shorts or TikToks, which is similar to the last one, but a bit more understated. I'm going to click on the subtitle track header down here and then go back to track. At the minute, we've got all of the words on screen and then individual words get highlighted. But if you want the words to be written on as they're spoken, you can tick write on words. You can use these on long form videos or vertical videos like which one of these animated styles do you like the best? Let me know in the comments. Let me show you some customizations. So we'll go and drag this statement animated subtitle effect. This is quite punchy and this probably works quite well on shorts or reels. First of all, decide whether you want to use write on words or not. I'm going to leave that unticked for now. You can change the speed at which the animation happens. Let's make it super fast. Subtitle game by adding, and super slow. Subtitle game by adding the ability. I'm going to set it to the default. If you want to change what the red box is for the highlight, let's go and change the back color to match the branding for DaVinci Dojo. Maybe this is a bit too overblown. So maybe instead of extra bold italic, maybe we just have semi-bold italic. Can increase the font size, and this is what we get. You can use these on long form videos or vertical videos like so. That's the first level of customization, and that's the easiest, and you can get quite far with that. Let me show you the second method of customizing these animated subtitles. Click on the subtitle header and make sure you're on the track tab. Click this little button here, which is going to open up these subtitles in Fusion. And this is going to give you loads of control. Double click on this macro tool one and then click on template. Now you get access to all of these properties, and there's even more along here. So this is not a Fusion tutorial, so we could alter the positions. You can make these look a bit 3D, and you can go to town here, and this is what it looks like now. DaVinci Resolve 20 lets you level up your subtitle game. I'm Jason Roberts. This is DaVinci Dojo. Please subscribe for more Resolve goodness, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.